Yes, how are you?
Papa.
Yes. More YouTube, more TikTok, talking football with T. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. What's your score prediction for the game today?
3-0.
3-0 to who?
Polokwane.
To Polokwane City.
Yes.
Ukora Malemo.
I don't know.
You don't know them.
Yeah.
It's not an issue, my brother.
No.
Is going to win. Polokwane is going to win.
Yeah, 2-0.
2-0. Ukora Malemo. Matuludu wako. Lichi afanye Finland.
It's going to win.
Yes. Yeah, Polokwane City. Arise and shine. My brother, how are you?
I'm doing well, my friend.
What's your score prediction for the game today?
My score prediction is 2-0. Simulated.
Yes.
I'm in the simulated.
Yes. Who's going to score?
I'm going for my brother. My biological brother.
Yes.
When I'm married, I'm married.
Yes.
Yeah, welcome to our school.
Your score prediction, my brother.
Stop praise team, Masha.